In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an account on Fundedelite. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fundedelite.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, it's time to get your funded account. And to do that, you'll simply need to go down to where it says get funded down here. And from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll see it will automatically go into the login page. But if you don't already have an account, you just need to click sign up now. From here, you'll need to enter in your first name, your last name, enter in your email address, and your password lastly. From here, you'll simply need to click sign up to your account. Once from here, you get inside of the dashboard. And now from here, you'll need to see this page right here. Where you can see, you can go to flash activation page, or you can choose the specific account that you want to pay for. From here, you can choose either two-step, one-step, light two-step, light one-step, or instant funded account. You'll also be able to add account size from $7K to $300,000, and you can choose the platform either MetaTrader 5 or MaxTrader. You'll need to make sure that you're chosen a specific platform because you cannot change it later on. From here, you'll also need to add in your maximum loss limit, where you can select how much you want and the profit target. You can also down here add the profit split from 60 to 95% and the days between payouts, either 3, 7, 14, or 21. You'll also be able to change the leverage from 1 out of 30 to 1 out of 50 or 1 out of 400. From here, you can also allow scaling or weekend trading if you want to do that. You can also go down here to select the coupon code that automatically apply by clicking apply here to get a little bit of discount. From here, you can simply click get funded, and from here, you'll simply need to add in your billing details like your first name, last name, Gmail account, country, state, city, postal code, street address, and phone number. From here, you'll simply need to click continue and then choose the specific payment plan that you want to choose. From here, you'll need to choose either cryptocurrency or your MasterCard or credit card. And from here, you'll just need to add in your credit card details. And from there, you'll have successfully purchased your Fundedelite account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!